How to solve or how to fix TikTok no connection error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can solve or fix TikTok no connection error. What you want to do is you can go ahead and on the Play Store or App Store you want to search in for VPN and you want to download any one VPN. Now in my case I've downloaded this. So once you download it, you want to open it up and you want to give it app permissions and all. It will check in network settings real quick. Now you can see it'll find best servers and such. Simply tap on the cross at the top right corner and go ahead and cross the ad, and you can see the connect option there. If you want to choose the server, you can tap on the earth icon at the top right corner there, or if you want to get premium, you can tap on the top right corner there as well, the crown icon. If you just want to set up a quick network, simply tap on connect and it'll get connected here real quick. Simply cross the ad and you can see it's connected. Now if you go ahead and open up TikTok, the no connection error will be gone. You will not have the problem anymore. So this way you can solve no connection error on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.